Hi there. Have you ever heard of horchata? Horchata is this interesting Mexican drink made with rice, cinnamon, and water and milk of your choosing. Hi, my name is Marilyn Zink. I'm the publisher of the Herbal Collective, a nutrition coach and herbalist. So I do these videos, these weird food videos, just to kind of pique your interest a bit more on different foods and drinks that you can use, and always something healthy. So, my rice, I had soaked it and put it in a blender. So, I just want to say there's two ways to prepare the horchata. One is you soak the rice overnight with cinnamon sticks, and then you blend it, and then it goes through a strainer. So, you want to get out the chunks, and then you can combine it with your milk of your choosing. The other way is to start with the hot water and rice and the milk, and then you ground it all up in the blender, and then you soak it overnight, and then in the morning you blend again and strain it. So it's kind of like, your choice. I thought it would make a creamier rice, soaking the rice overnight first. So that's what I did. And then I thought, I don't know if I want to put cinnamon sticks right in the blender and make it really, blend up all chunky. But it seems to be blending pretty thoroughly. And I'm just going to give it a quick whir again. Now you probably can't see any big chunks of cinnamon stick in there. And that's probably because the cinnamon sticks were also soaking with the rice. So they got nice and well blended. Oh, and it has a nice flavor. So the reason that the Mexicans love this kind of drink is it's a nice balance to the spicy foods that they have. And so when you think about it, it's also something that you can maybe think of as a festive drink. You can make it very festive. Add cinnamon sticks, or maybe whip it up so it's nice and frothy. So there's a few ideas there. Oh, okay, there's a big chunk of rice that came out. So this is why it's important to strain it. As you can see, it's straining. So just show you what's left there. So some chunks of cinnamon sticks and, the leftover rice, because clearly we don't want to drink that. So after you've strained it, now you want to take that and you can combine it like half and half of this horchata and half of the milk of your choosing, and blend those together. Now here's another thought. You can make a chia seed pudding. So it's kind of like a rice pudding, but it would be like, maybe a vegan version if you were using soy milk or, coconut milk, cashew milk, one of those. So you might want to just try drinking the resulting horchata on its own, and think, this could be kind of nice with in cereal in the morning. So maybe I can use it in baking. So there's all kinds of possibilities. So it's not something, maybe just want to drink. You can use it in baking. So instead of saying buying your oat milk or soy milk, cashew milk, which, regular milk, whichever one you'd use for baking, then maybe if you do a lot of baking, you just think, I'm just going to make this horchata because it's cheap. It really is just water and rice. And then you can use a bunch of it. Say if you're using a recipe and it calls for like 2 cups or 3 cups or whatever it is, then you're not using your expensive milk or your expensive oat milk or soy milk, because those can be expensive to buy. You're not using that in your baking product. So this could be a great substitute, a great alternative to something like that. Or just all kinds of possibilities, not just baking, but again, in your cereal in the morning, cooking with your oats, making like an overnight oats with that. So there's all kinds of possibilities. Like I said, chia seeds and, like a rice nut pudding or horchata nut pudding would be a lovely alternative as well. So I hope you enjoy this video and give it a try with the horchata. Now, what I did is I used just a cup of plain white rice and about 2 cups, maybe a little bit more, water, and then the couple cinnamon sticks, and just soak that overnight. And then, like I said, blend it the next day and actually blend it really well. So nice creamy blend, and then strain it. And then, okay, so you've got your resulting drink. So, okay, hope you like this video. Please like and share, and I welcome you to subscribe to the channel. Okay, thanks, and have a great day.